How to find a block list on Facebook. Hello everyone and welcome to the new video. In today's video, I will show you how you can find accounts you have blocked on Facebook or how to add someone to that list. Facebook is a pioneer of social networks and as such has the largest number of users. No matter what age group you belong to, you've probably been on it at least once. While this opinion can add a lot of positives, it can also bring a lot of negative consequences. Namely, a large number of people is a suitable place for some people who try to deceive you or cause damage. That is why blocking has become very important on social networks, and today we will see how you can find your block list on Facebook and how you can add someone to it. Open Facebook. When Facebook has opened, tap on the three icons in the bottom menu. In the menu that appeared, scroll through the options until you find the General Settings in the Settings and Privacy section. When you find it, tap on it. When the section is opened, a new list of options will appear. In this list, we need to find the Audience and Visibility section and the blocking option in it. When you find it, tap on it. All the accounts you have blocked will be listed here. You can also add an account by tapping the Add to Blocked List button. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Facebook tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.